Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Fun with Maths. Here's a nice problem. 1 over 2 minus m is equal to square root of m. Find the value of m. Here's the solution. First, let's bring down the given equation. And then, for this, we can cross multiply. But before that one, let's put over 1. So, 1 times 1, that is 1, equals square root of m times 2 minus m. Next is, we can square both sides. So square and then square. So this is 1 squared, that is 1, equals. For this side, rule of indices, take the square both. So every base, take the square. So we have square root of m whole to the power of 2 times 2 minus m whole to the power of 2. So now we can cancel the square and the radical. So this is now 1 equals m times 2 minus m whole to the power of 2. We can follow the rule of identity. We have a minus b whole to the power of 2, which is also equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is now 2 squared, that is 4, minus 2 times m, that is 4m, negative m to the power of 2, that is positive m squared. Then let's multiply. So this is now 1 equals m times 4, that is 4m, m times negative 4m, that is negative 4m squared, m times positive m squared, that is positive or plus m cubed. Next, we can take 1 to the other side so that this side will be equal to 0. So this is now 0 equals 4m minus 4m squared plus m cubed minus 1. And then apply the commutative property. So now we can write it as m cubed minus 4m squared plus 4m minus 1 equals 0. Next is we can group this and then factor. So first group and then the second group. So for the first group, the common is, and then we can arrange this again by grouping. So m cubed, pair it with negative 1 or minus 1 times, and for this, negative 4m squared plus 4m, let's take out the negative. So negative times 4m squared, 4m divided by negative, that is negative 4m, equals 0. Now for this, since the other one have a power of 3, and then for 1, we can put power of 3. 1 to the power of 3 is just equal to 1. So now that they have the same power, 3 and 3, this is called as the difference of 2 cubes. And for the difference of 2 cubes, we can expand this into m minus 1 times m squared plus m plus 1. And then minus, here 4m squared minus 4m, the common is 4m. So 4m times 4m squared divided by 4m, that is m. And then negative 4m divided by 4m, that is negative 1, equals 0. Now we have a common, which is m minus 1. So let's take it out. M minus 1 times the remaining m squared plus m plus 1 minus 4m equals 0. Now we can combine like terms. So this is now m minus 1 times m squared m minus 4m, that is minus 3m, then plus 1 equals 0. Now for this, we can have two equations. First is m minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is m is equal to 1. Another equation is m squared minus 3m plus 1 equals 0. For this, we can use the quadratic formula to find the value of m. But we need to identify first the values of a, b, and c. For a, that is 1. For b, that is negative 3. For c, that is positive 1. And the quadratic formula is m is equal to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And now let's apply the formula. So m is equal to negative b, so that is negative times the value of b, which is negative 3. Positive negative square root of b squared, that is negative 3 squared, minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is 1, all over 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. Then m is equal to negative times negative 3, that is positive 3. Then positive negative square root of negative 3 squared, that is 9. And then negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4 or minus 4. All over 2 times 1, that is 2. Now this is m equals 3 positive negative square root of 9 minus 4, that is 5, all over 2. Now for this, we can have two values of m. M equals 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. Another is m equals 3 minus square root of 5 all over 2. Now, for these additional values of m, these are called as complex solution. Earlier, we have the value of m, which is equal to 1. M is equal to 1 is our real solution. And we only need to consider the real solution, and that is m is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 over 2 minus m is equal to square root of m. The value of m is equal to 1. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.